Hello everyone, welcome to Gruhni's World. We generally have soups at restaurants or parties, but we rarely make them at home. Soups are very healthy and quick to make, typically in 10 minutes. Today I am going to show you how to make easy and healthy corn soup, which will become your instant favorite. Friends, this soup is loaded with vitamins and minerals as we are using some other veggies along with corn. So let's get started. Friends, you can have just like this for more healthier way instead of adding cornstarch which helps in thickening the soup. Friends, we all should try to include soups in our weekly routine. The ingredients we use in soups are very good for immune as well as our digestive system. So do try this. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye.